Are you ready to journey to the outer reaches of our solar system and witness stunning, high-resolution images of one of the most enigmatic and mysterious celestial bodies in our skies? Get ready to be captivated and amazed as we explore the real images of Pluto, revealing its complex and fascinating terrain in breathtaking detail like never before. What is Pluto? Pluto is the largest known dwarf planet in the solar system and used to be considered the ninth and most distant planet from the Sun. The strange world is located in the Kuiper Belt, a zone beyond the orbit of Neptune, brimming with hundreds of thousands of rocky, icy bodies, each larger than 62 miles, 100 kilometers, across, as well as 1 trillion or more comets. Pluto stopped being a planet in 2006 when it was reclassified as a dwarf planet, a demotion that attracted controversy and stirred debate in the scientific community and among the general public. What does Pluto look like? Since Pluto is so far from Earth, little was known about the dwarf planet's size or surface conditions until 2015, when NASA's New Horizons space probe made a close flyby of Pluto. New Horizons showed that Pluto has a diameter of 1,473 miles, 2,370 kilometers, less than 1/5 the diameter of Earth, and only about 2/3 as wide as Earth's moon. Observations of Pluto's surface by the New Horizons spacecraft revealed a variety of surface features, including mountains that reach as high as 11,000 feet, 3,500 meters, comparable to the Rocky Mountains on Earth. While methane and nitrogen ice cover much of the surface of Pluto, these materials are not strong enough to support such enormous peaks, so scientists suspect that the mountains are formed on a bedrock of water ice. Pluto's surface is also covered in an abundance of methane ice, but New Horizons scientists have observed significant differences in the way the ice reflects light across the dwarf planet's surface. The dwarf planet also possesses ice-ridge terrain that appears to look like a snakeskin. Astronomers spotted similar features to Earth's penitentious or erosion-formed features on mountainous terrain. The Pluto features are much larger. They are estimated at 1,650 feet, 500 meters, tall, while the Earth features are only a few meters in size. What is Pluto made of? Some of Pluto's parameters, according to NASA: atmospheric composition, methane, nitrogen. Observations by New Horizons show that Pluto's atmosphere extends as far as 1,000 miles, 1,600 kilometers, above the surface of the dwarf planet. Magnetic field. It remains unknown whether Pluto has a magnetic field, but the dwarf planet's small size and slow rotation suggest it has little to no such field. Chemical composition. Pluto probably consists of a mixture of 70% rock and 30% water ice. Internal structure. The dwarf planet probably has a rocky core surrounded by a mantle of water ice, with more exotic ices such as methane, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen ice characteristics. Pluto's highly elliptical orbit can take it more than 49 times as far out from the Sun as Earth. Since the dwarf planet's orbit is so eccentric, or far from circular, Pluto's distance from the Sun can vary considerably. The dwarf planet gets closer to the Sun than Neptune is for 20 years out of Pluto's 248 Earth years long orbit, providing astronomers with a rare chance to study this small, cold, distant world. As a result of that orbit, after 20 years as the 8th planet, in order going out from the Sun, in 1999, Pluto crossed Neptune's orbit to become the farthest planet from the Sun, until it was demoted to the status of the dwarf planet. Is Pluto moons? Pluto has 5 moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra, with Charon being the closest to Pluto and Hydra the most distant. In 1978, astronomers discovered that Pluto had a very large moon, nearly half the dwarf planet's size. This moon was dubbed Charon, after the mythological demon who ferried souls to the underworld in Greek mythology. Because Charon and Pluto are so similar in size, their orbit is unlike that of most planets and their moons. Both Pluto and Charon orbit a point in space that lies between them, similar to the orbits of binary star systems. For this reason, scientists refer to Pluto and Charon as a double dwarf planet, double planet, or binary system. Diois Pluto HKVANYMUNs? Moons. Pluto has 5 known moons: Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. This moon system might have formed by a collision between Pluto and another similar-sized body early in the history of the solar system. Charon, the biggest of Pluto's moons, is about half the size of Pluto itself, making it the largest satellite relative to the planet it orbits in our solar system. It orbits Pluto at a distance of just 12,200 miles, 19,640 kilometers. For comparison, our moon is 20 times farther away from Earth. Pluto and Charon are often referred to as double planets. Charon's orbit around Pluto takes 153 hours, the same time it takes Pluto to complete one rotation. This means Charon neither rises nor sets, but hovers over the same spot on Pluto's surface. The same side of Charon always faces Pluto, a state called tidal locking. Pluto's other 4 moons are much smaller, less than 100 miles, 160 kilometers wide. They're also irregularly shaped, not spherical like Charon. Unlike many other moons in the solar system, these moons are not tidally locked to Pluto. They all spin and don't keep the same face towards Pluto. Atmosphere. Pluto has a thin, tenuous atmosphere that expands when it comes closer to the Sun and collapses as it moves farther away, similar to a comet. The main constituent is molecular nitrogen, though molecules of methane and carbon monoxide have also been detected. When Pluto is close to the Sun, its surface ices sublimate, changing directly from solid to gas, and rise to temporarily form a thin atmosphere. Pluto's low gravity, about 6% of Earth's, causes the atmosphere to be much more extended in altitude than our planet's atmosphere. Pluto becomes much colder during the part of each year when it is traveling far away from the Sun. During this time, the bulk of the planet's atmosphere may freeze and fall as snow to the surface. In conclusion, the real images of Pluto that have been captured by the New Horizons spacecraft are a testament to the incredible advancements that have been made in space exploration and technology. These stunning images have given us an unprecedented glimpse into the mysterious and distant world of Pluto and have helped to expand our understanding of the outer solar system. As we continue to explore and learn about our universe, it is important to remember the profound impact that space exploration can have on our collective understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The images of Pluto that we have seen so far are just the beginning of what promises to be an exciting and transformative era in space exploration, one that holds the potential to reveal even more wonders and mysteries of the universe. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our other videos.